Let's be introduce Maideen, a dynamic individual with a vision to lead as a future CEO. His passion for knowledge and dedication to learning have shaped his ambition to excel in the business world. With a new interest in reading, Maideen is consistently expanding his horizons and seeking new perspective. His drive and determination set him apart, make him a promising leader of tomorrow. Let's welcome our last contestant of BizBex, Maideen Mohammed.
Hello everyone, this is Maideen standing in front of you. Today, let's we talk about something really exciting. The future of technology. The future of technology. We can see that technology is all around us. Even that start from the smartphone in our pocket and the computers in our school, workspace, home or television. But have you ever wondered for what the future holds? Well, that's what we are going to explore together. Okay. Think about it. Imagine the world where cars drives themselves. The world where cars drives themselves. You can sit back and relax. The car takes you where you need to go. Sounds like pretty cool, right? Yeah. And what about our robots? Not the scary one from movies, but the useful ones that can assist us from the tasks like cleaning or even caring. Cleaning or even caring the people, those who need help. And have you heard about virtual reality? It's like stepping into a whole new world without leaving your room. You could go on adventure. You can explore more new places or even learn in ways that you never thought possible. And have you heard about AIs? AIs, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. So, what is AI? It's like having a super smart friend who can help us with all sorts of things. All sorts of things. Maybe sometimes you can notice. Sometimes your phone can suggest what the word you are going to type next. Yes, that's AI in action. But of course, with all these amazing technologies, we need to think something. Like, how do we keep safe our information? How do we make sure everyone can use it? How do we keep safe our privacy? Like, etc., etc., etc. questions. But we need to think a thing also. Like, in our past days, like 70s, 80s, or 90s, there was nobody knows there was a device in our hand that control all over the world by even sitting. What's that device? Yeah, smartphone. I will give you an example. Did your grandfather think that you can communicate all over the world by using a small device? Did your grandfather think that we can fly in the sky using a kind of vehicle? No, that's what, guys, I am telling. If your mind tell that there was nothing happen in future, think, guys, think. What happened in our past? What is done in your past? That's what we all of us come in. We can ask questions and share our ideas. By working together, we can make a future where technology makes our lives better, brighter, and beautiful. So let's get excited about our future. Who knows what the amazing things we will see next? Thank you so much.